Today we are the Fun Park TV show, and we're playing Toca Boca in part 1. So let's start. Okay. Looks like seems lovely. Yeah. Knock knock. Who's there? It's me, Scar. Okay. Should we buy food? We don't have much food. Are you sure? Yeah, we should buy. Because it seems pretty same to me, right? Yeah, we don't have a kitchen, but we can just store them in our... Okay, let's go, but get some food. I'm not sure if we need much food. Yeah, we need food. But not that much. We'll die. Not that much. Yeah, we're not going to steal the whole entire food. That's weird. Okay. Boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, let's shop. Drop some money. All you have to rely. Why is there always money here? I should take it before the manager sees this. Okay. We need cups. There they are. I know how to change my name in Minecraft, so I can do this. What? I could change my character's name. I feel like another person. So my brother's friend won't know. He won't know you don't have to cheat your name. And he might think that Oh, that's such a flex. What's a flex? Okay, Dad, the shopping. The door's open, right? No. Yes. Okay, let's pay. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, we're done paying. Beep, 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 beep. That will be $3 because I already added 2. Okay, bye, Bob. What? Why? We already paid. Okay, let's go home. Okay. Okay. We're home. Open door. Okay, never mind. Open door. I'm just gonna go do something. Open door. Jordan, don't look out. Open door. Just put the statue right here beside it so we can really see it. No. Here. Right here. Okay, we can add the food here. I'll go take a bath. Okay. Don't look, everybody. Close your eyes. Wait, I'll hand you the shampoo. I'm not gonna look. It's fine, I'm wearing a swimsuit. Okay, then. Here. Here's this rubber band. Okay. Add cereal. Woof, woof. Meow, meow, meow. Hold on. Scarlet. Red light. Stop sign. Sorry about that, guys. You're out of kid talks. Red. Okay, here are your food. Okay, let's see. Oh my God, Coco! No! Why were you in the edge? You were going to fall. That was embarrassing. Poor little Coco. Go back. Go back. Go back. Okay, then. Put pillows on the floor. Okay, put pillows on the floor. Oh, poor little Coco. Oh, she got it with her paw. Yes. Wow, she's powerful. Here you go. I'm gonna place everyone. Excuse? Excuse? Like you. Oh, I'm gonna wash my hands. Open the door. Squirt, squirt. Wash, wash, wash. Hold up. Okay, I'm gonna brush my teeth. I'm just gonna brush my teeth. Okay, done. There. Wash my face. Okay. I'm done. Oh, okay. Next time, let's go, you know. Why are you holding the party decoration? The 2022. Why is the cake on your table? It should be like that. What to do with our room? Maybe we should go somewhere. Then should we go somewhere? Are you sure? Yeah. Okay. Maybe. Okay, let's get ready. Let's pick our clothes. Boop. I'll wear this. Oh. That's it. Jada, what are you doing? You're just making a mess. No. Jada, here's the bag. What are you gonna wear? Okay, that. Hey. And there's the bag too. What do I look like with this? Oh, it looks weird. I'm gonna go with the matching. Oh, that's my outfit. Coco, don't listen to that. It's a monster. It's a monster. It's better if it's without the hat. So choose your outfit. Now I choose my outfit. That's home. Okay, I'll just wear this. Okay, where are we going? To the movie theater? No. What, you don't like the movie theater? Where are we going? Let's... No, we can't change. We should go to the restaurant. Yeah, we should. Is there a restaurant? Yeah, of course. Oh yeah, there is. It's an outside restroom. Just wait. Brush your teeth and get ready. Do I check Coco? Carry Coco. She's pooping. Let's bring the money. Yay! Okay, let's go. Okay, you can play with your raft and your boat. Choose. Wait, choose. Plop, 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 plop. Okay, let's go to the restaurant. Go to the restaurant. This is how we play with Coco. We get the laser. Yeah, but we lost. You lost the laser? Yes. I couldn't find it. When I just left it at the shelf. Okay, Joanna, let's find something to eat. What should we eat? Pizza? Maybe pizza. Pizza or burgers or chili. Or chili, hot chili. Or sushi. Or sour food, fish food. Or sweets or noodles with sugar and shrimp. Maybe let's get pizza first and noodles and no, it's kind of early. Maybe some hamburgers. Yeah, and some fries and maybe that's it. Hi sir, we would like a cheese pizza. Okay, coming right up. Put in the box. Okay, it's cleaning the box. Here's your pizza. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, now I would like another one for my friend. Okay. That's it. Okay. Here's your order. Here's the bag. Thank you. Okay, we have a bag. Anything else? Nope, that's it. That'll be $1. Thank you. That's what he does. What? And then he pours it all. Pooping. When he needs to poop, he poops without the toilet. Yeah. But it's not poop. It's just money. Oh, we gotta wait in line. Okay. I would like. Never mind. My order here. I think you know. It's for free. I would say come on, Zoe. Coming with Nick. They're brothers and sisters. Oh. Okay, so now it's our turn. Hi, Mom. We would like lemon juice and a burger and fries. We would like 2 burgers and 2 fries. Wow. What? Okay. He said, let's see. He said he ate it. How many? Just 2. Wow. He said, okay. Okay. It was for free. He said, oh no. Aren't you going to get your drinks? Wait, we could check this. Okay. Where's the cup? So it could be Okay, let's go sit on the sheet. Good God. Oh, great. Ketchup. Spread. Do you want to spread it or not?